Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with the phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the application, you should see the health page. Now find the devices icon and tap on it. And here on the devices page, you should see the list of devices, and on it there should be HUAWEI Watch GT 5. Select it. Now scroll through this page and find the option called App Gallery. If you're missing this option, it could be because you're not logged in into a HUAWEI ID account in the app, or when you install the application for the first time, you selected a region that doesn't support this feature, because when you're installing the application, you need to select a region. So you could try to log into a HUAWEI ID account or reinstall the application and use different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working very well. Okay, so once you find the app gallery, tap on it. Then tap on Manager, right here at the top. And here we have the list of updates available. As you can see, we have only Petal Maps, but if there are any updates for different applications, they will appear here. And to update the application, tap on Update. Okay, and once the application is done updating, it will disappear from here. As you can see, we have no updates available anymore, so we can close the HUAWEI Health application, and that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.